Credit Karma and Experian often show different credit scores because Credit Karma typically uses VantageScore models, while Experian focuses on FICO-based scoring, which is what most lenders actually rely on. By the end, you'll know which one is more accurate for lenders, why the numbers don't match, and which one you should trust depending on your goal. Start with the key difference. Credit Karma usually shows credit scores from TransUnion and Equifax using VantageScore models. Experian shows your Experian credit report and often uses FICO scoring models or Experian-specific scoring tools depending on the product. Now explain what that actually changes. Your score can look higher or lower between the two apps, even if your credit behavior is exactly the same. That difference comes from how each scoring model weighs things like credit utilization, payment history, and account age. Now, answer the main question directly. For lender accuracy, Experian is usually closer to what banks actually see, because most lenders use FICO-based scoring systems. That makes Experian more reliable when you are preparing for a loan, credit card, or mortgage application. Now, explain Credit Karma's role. Credit Karma is still useful, but it is better for monitoring changes in your credit over time rather than predicting exact approval numbers. If your Credit Karma score goes up or down, that trend is usually accurate even if the exact number does not match a lender's score. Now explain why people get confused. Many users compare both apps side by side and assume one must be wrong. But both can be correct because they are measuring the same credit data using different scoring systems. Now, explain practical use cases. If you want to track your credit health daily or weekly, Credit Karma is more convenient because it updates frequently and is easy to access. If you want a score that is closer to what lenders actually see, Experian is the better reference point. Now explain the simplest way to think about it. Credit Karma shows you a version of your credit profile based on VantageScore. Experian shows you a version that is closer to FICO-based lending decisions. Now, summarize the key points. Credit Karma and Experian use different scoring models, which is why the numbers don't match. Experian is usually closer to lender-used FICO scores. And Credit Karma is best for tracking credit changes, not final approval decisions. One practical next step, body. Check both scores before applying for credit, but prioritize Experian for the most realistic idea of what lenders will see. Like and subscribe for clear credit breakdowns without confusion or conflicting advice.